A single blown light bulb can cost homeowners up to $100 in energy losses over its lifespan. Light bulbs are an essential part of our daily lives, providing warmth and illumination to our homes, but they can also be a significant source of energy waste. The average American home uses around 40 light bulbs, and each bulb can account for up to 5% of the total energy consumption. Replacing traditional incandescent bulbs with energy-efficient alternatives like LEDs can significantly reduce energy consumption and costs. In fact, switching to LED bulbs can save homeowners up to $100 per year on their energy bills, according to the U.S. Department of Energy. But what if you could repair or replace your light bulb yourself, rather than calling an electrician or throwing it away? In this video, we'll explore the simple DIY repairs and home fixes you can do to extend the life of your light bulbs and save energy. First, let's take a look at the common issues that cause light bulbs to blow, such as loose connections or damaged filaments. Imagine a scenario where you're enjoying a relaxing evening at home, and suddenly, one of your light bulbs blows, plunging your room into darkness. But what if you knew how to fix it quickly and easily, without calling an electrician? To fix a blown light bulb, start by turning off the power to the circuit at the electrical panel or breaker box. Next, remove the shade or glass cover to access the bulb, taking care not to touch any of the electrical components. Now, identify the type of bulb you have, whether it's an incandescent, halogen, or LED, as this will determine the best course of action. For incandescent bulbs, check for loose connections or damaged filaments, which can cause the bulb to blow. If the filament is damaged, you may need to replace the entire bulb, but if it's just a loose connection, you can fix it with a simple twist. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some light bulbs can be repaired using a specialized tool called a bulb tester? A bulb tester can help you identify the problem and even repair the bulb itself, saving you money and reducing waste. However, not all bulbs can be repaired, so it's essential to know the type of bulb you have and the extent of the damage. For LED bulbs, the process is a bit more complex, as they often have specialized components that require specific tools and techniques to repair. But don't worry, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can feel confident in your ability to repair your LED bulbs. So let's get started and explore the world of DIY light bulb repairs and home fixes. But before we dive in, have you ever wondered how light bulbs actually work? It's a fascinating process that involves a complex interplay of electricity, heat, and light, which we'll explore in more detail later. For now, let's focus on the practical applications of DIY light bulb repairs and home fixes. By learning how to fix and replace your light bulbs yourself, you can save energy, reduce waste, and even increase the lifespan of your bulbs. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started and explore the world of DIY light bulb repairs and home fixes. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 DIY repairs and home fixes you can do to extend the life of your light bulbs and save energy. From simple tasks like replacing a light bulb to more complex repairs like fixing a faulty dimmer switch, we'll show you how to do it all. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to tackle any light bulb repair or home fix that comes your way. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home without breaking the bank or wasting energy. So, let's get started and explore the world of DIY light bulb repairs and home fixes. First up, let's talk about the importance of regular maintenance and cleaning of your light fixtures. Dust and dirt can accumulate on the fixtures, causing them to malfunction and reducing their lifespan. To clean your light fixtures, simply turn off the power to the circuit and use a soft bristled brush or a damp cloth to wipe away any debris. But that's not all. Regular maintenance can also help prevent accidents and reduce energy consumption. By keeping your light fixtures clean and well maintained, you can ensure that your home is safe and energy efficient. Now, let's move on to the top 5 DIY repairs and home fixes you can do to extend the life of your light bulbs and save energy. From replacing a blown bulb to fixing a faulty dimmer switch, we'll show you how to do it all. First, let's talk about replacing a blown bulb. This is one of the simplest DIY repairs you can do, and it's a great way to save energy and reduce waste. To replace a blown bulb, simply turn off the power to the circuit and remove the old bulb, taking care not to touch any of the electrical components.
Next, insert the new bulb and screw it in firmly, making sure it's seated properly in the socket.
But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that some light bulbs can be recycled? Yes, you read that right many light bulb manufacturers now offer recycling programs for their products. By recycling your old light bulbs, you can help reduce waste and conserve natural resources. In fact, recycling just one light bulb can save enough energy to power a computer for 25 hours. So next time you're about to throw away an old light bulb, consider recycling it instead. Now, let's talk about fixing a faulty dimmer switch. This is a bit more complex than replacing a blown bulb, but it's still a DIY-friendly task. To fix a faulty dimmer switch, start by turning off the power to the circuit and removing the old switch. Next, inspect the switch for any signs of wear or damage, and replace it if necessary. But that's not all. You'll also need to adjust the dimmer switch to ensure it's working properly. This may involve adjusting the sensitivity or replacing the switch entirely. However, with a few simple tools and some basic knowledge, you can fix your dimmer switch and enjoy safe and energy-efficient lighting. In this video, we've covered the top 5 DIY repairs and home fixes you can do to extend the life of your light bulbs and save energy. From replacing a blown bulb to fixing a faulty dimmer switch, we've shown you how to do it all. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to tackle any light bulb repair or home fix that comes your way. And the best part, you can do it all from the comfort of your own home without breaking the bank or wasting energy. So don't wait any longer. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials and home fixes, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DIY tutorials and home fixes.